Hey guys, Lemonhead MMS here, and I haven't made a video in a while, so I got a new phone. This is going to be testing my ringtones. This is freaking hilarious. I've tried this a little bit. This is my friend's ringtone. Yeah, and then this is what let's just listen to all of these. Okay. Oh my god. That's freaking hilarious. You suck. Yeah. That's not a ringtone. It's me. It's pretty cool. My dad's ringtone. Where are there so many of these? It's just like, there's so many of these. There's just so many of these. It's freaking hilarious. Nope. Okay, I get the idea, but why is it like that? 1 second, guys. This hat is ginormous. This is like a ginormous hat. I would hate to wake up to that. That's like something from Five Nights at Freddy's. That's like next level stuff, man. Five Nights at Freddy's. Yep. That's freaking annoying. Oh, that's still annoying. Nope. Sounds like something from the jungle. Not freaking Tango Cafe. Sounds like something from the freaking office. Earthrise on the moon. Yeah, that does not sound like the best thing in the world. Whistling Wizard? What the frick? Okay, anyways, that's the end of the video. And, guys, remember to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in another video, I guess. See ya.